Here we go. Now let's get this thing started. What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. As you can see today, I moved some things around and kind of changed it up a little bit. I enjoy changing things from time to time, but I am curious to see what you guys think. Basically what I did was I moved my desk from over there. You can't really see over there, but trust me, there's a corner there, and I moved it to here. I figured, why not? Let's try it out. We go to the desk in every video anyway, so we might as well just spend the rest of the time here as well. Today we are looking at a watch brand that I have come to really enjoy over the past couple weeks, maybe even a month or month and a half or so. I have tried out quite a few watch brands now, and I know watches are kind of hit and miss with some of you guys, but this brand has really been one that I have come to feel very strongly for in their craftsmanship, their quality, and the overall impression that I've gotten from talking to their company. This is my review of Colton James. Alright, so I actually first heard about Colton James in a video that I saw Joe or Blumaan do, and I remember watching him review those watches and thinking to myself, man, those things look classy. And so I've been reviewing watches for a little while now, and I happened to just get an email myself from this brand, and they asked me to take a look and make a video for you guys too, so I was totally excited to do this. My personal preference in watches is I love the simplistic look. I also have room in my preferences for those watches that have a more intricate design. But lately I've been really enjoying the simple watch face with a comfortable leather band, and these guys really nail that spot. But of course I know you guys need a little more than that. You guys actually need to see close-up details on what's going on inside this watch, and I'm happy to bring that to you. Let's get a closer look.
True elegance in simplicity. That is the perfect way to describe the timepieces from Colton James. This style to me represents one of the best areas of watches and one of the greatest ways to bring an outfit to that next level and tie it together. In total, we're going to be looking at two of their watches today, starting first with the Dusk. The Dusk is both bold and colorful with its gold and black watch face and the burgundy, white, and black band. The watch itself is a 42mm timepiece with a case thickness of 7mm. Inside, it's running a Seiko Epson core movement surrounded by a polished bourbon gold casing. It also features sapphire crystal glass with an onyx black sunray dial and a double-sided blue second hand that I personally find to be a really nice touch to the design.
Now, almost as soon as I got this watch, I actually took advantage of changing out the watch band. I really like this colorful band, but I found that switching the band over to the Nero band or the black leather gave me more options with the styles that I personally wear the most. Another thing that I really wanted to mention in this video real quick was the option to create a watch on the Colton James site. This is really cool because it allows you to mix and match any watch face and band without having to buy a set that maybe you're not really into, but think that the watch face might look good with one of the other bands. It basically gives you the opportunity to just buy what you want instead of buying the sets. All you gotta do is go to their site and select the watch builder. From there, you select the face you want from their available models and then choose from their leather, nylon, or mesh bands. After that, they put it all together and send it over so you can enjoy your creation. Personally, I really dig this watch that I got to create because it gives an overall different look than this other one here. It allows me to still match it with my usual outfits, but it also gives off somewhat of a different appearance, allowing me to switch it up every now and then. With all that being said, obviously I'm a big fan of these watches. I really enjoy them, and I found no issues at all with their function either. I've used them for multiple days now, weeks actually, trying to see if anything would stand out as an issue. You guys know that when something pops out to me as an issue, I am fully 100% honest about it, and I haven't really found anything that I would consider an issue. I'm also not trying to hype these watches, as I know some people have done with other watch brands. What I specifically like about them is their particular attention to detail. That's really the source of my admiration for this brand, is they pay close attention to the details that they put into the watch. One of the things I'm talking about lies within the face itself of the watch, with the second hand being not only a different color, but being double-sided. This design has an awesome story behind it too. It's actually inspired by the introduction of propeller aircrafts in World War I. It's stuff like that that really draws me in as a watch lover, and it's just little details and stories behind those details that I really enjoy. There's another detail on the bands that I actually really like too. Most bands that I've tried in the past, have a decent buckle or a clasp and then another leather loop to push the band through when you're tightening it up on your wrist. But here we have a strong and sturdy clasp, and the loop to put it through is actually the same metal as the clasp. So again, it's those little details that give off that bold and luxurious look, and I think that puts this brand over top of a lot of others out there. Lastly, now the price. This is the final thing that really draws me to this brand. This is obviously the first thing that I look at when I'm attracted to a watch because, well, let's just be honest, if it's something I can't afford, then it's a waste of time for me to even be looking at it. But here we have some timepieces that I think are very reasonably priced. The dusk here that we looked at today comes in at $177.62 in US dollars, with the black strap at $50.75. The watch that we built today comes in at $198.77 US, so I think that's really not bad at all. Now again, I'm not here to hype this brand. Just like with hair products, I'm here to just simply share my honest opinion, and if these look good to you and you'd like to check them out for yourself, I will have a link to the site in the description there for you guys to check out. Now I know watch videos aren't as popular here on the channel as the hair product reviews, but I do encourage you to check these out because I am showing some really cool stuff and stuff that I'm really excited about. And if you did like this video, do me a favor and drop me a like and a comment down below. And if you're feeling super awesome, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. That helps me out a ton. Make sure you also stay tuned for my next video coming up this week as we check out the clay from the Sun City Grooming Company. I think it's going to be a pretty interesting video, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. And with that, I will say thanks so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.